rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Let's go with our youth championship. D4 hit the 26 down. .26 is under the count. 26X is under the count. 001 hit from outside of the 7. .26 is under the count. Hit to the back bumper of the 7 from the 08. Hit number 7 hit the 001. 26 is under the count. Looks like the right front tires of spot there are being, looks like it's on the axle. Let's look the other one, the 26. 26 under the count. Number 7 hit the 001. 26 X hit the 001. 2009 hit the 001. 26 X hit the 001. Whoa! Drivers with a warning to the 26. Drivers go warning to the 26 X for the door hit on the number 7. We got the D4 under the count. Black flag falling on the 26. 26, oh, 26 hit. Clipped the front corner of the 8 and went right to the block. Black flag falling on the 26. D4 under the count. 26 exit the back end of the 08. We've got a bumper on the track. Into the 7 from the 08. 26X is under the count. We've got the count on to number 7. We got a count on the 08. Count off the 08. Count on the 26X. Count on the 2009. Count on the number 7. Don Turner's calling 26X. I want to see you hit. He's under the count. Needs to make it hit. Black flag falling on the 26X. Number 7 is under the count. Black flag falling on the number 7. We are down to 3. Let's hear for these silence. You got the 08-62 with the 2009. Still playing Demolition Derby. Down on the 62. Don Turner calling the 62 in the 2009. We want to see you hit. Hit to the backside of the 2009 from the 08. Hit to the 08 from the 62. The 08 is under the count. Is under the count. 2009 is under the count. Drivers go warning to the 08. We're now seeing that was definitely the back door that was hit. 08's under the count. 2009. Count off to 08. Is under the count. 2009 and 62 should be hitting, playing Demolition Derby. Hit from the 62 on the 009. Count on the 2009. Nose to nose. Oh, come on. You can hit harder than that. It's not the right bumper car. It's not the I don't know those names once they're retired. He don't do that. to the back side of the 2009 from the 62. Down on the 08. Out on the 08. Out off the 08. Out on the 2009. Counts on the 2009. Count off the 2009. Everybody's there. The count's now on the 08. Hit placed by the 62. Counts on the 08. Don Stone the 2009. Back up, back up. Back up, back up. Counts on the 08. Riley's still trying to get that car off the block. Just trying to get the move. Count on the 08 head to 2009. Mason has precariously got himself parked on top of his own right with his tires. Black flag falling on the 08. Down on the 62. The 2009 Triumph. Here goes Mason. Dragging his tire behind him. Round and round and round he goes. Makes a hit. There he goes. Now on the 2009. We are down to 2. Down to 2. Taking the next for the 2009. Count is on the 2009 Mustang with the hit. Mason's just driving around in circles. If he can't catch you, you catch him. Tires off on the 62. Now on the 2009. Black flag falling on the 2009. Ladies and gentlemen, that's your youth championship. Los Angeles Cavs. Finishing in third, you got the 08. Finishing in second, you got the 2009. Finishing in first, you got the number 62, Los Angeles Cavs! A day like today will not be